Mexico. We're at the desal plant, Carlsbad, California. Connect these dots. Wow, what waves we have. But here we are. Let's get a shot of this monster. Now, as you know, I've been going off on these guys for years, as they've been building this years. Now let's connect these dots, class. What's right there? San Onofre! Oh no, San Onofre doesn't leak nuclear waste into the freaking ocean, as Kevin Blanch has been saying for 30 years. Oh, ask Channel 7. So we've been asking them this. We've been here protesting for years, asking them just this. But I told Bill, my friend that's attorney up there, we finally got some good news for you tort lawyers in Rancho Santa Fe. He said, what's that? Most of the water's going to you, so we can finally kill all you, bathe in it, cook your organic food in it, make your freaking organic freaking tea in it. But from what I understand, Lori, is this right, that 10% of all San Diegans going to get it now?
Correct.
Now, of course, we just drink bottled water, of course. What about when you cook your organic vegetables?
Bathe your babies.
Well, we bring in special water to bathe the baby. We're elitist, one with the nanny bathes the baby because we have a wet nurse, our wet nurse. So I want to talk about this because I termed it, and this is no disrespect, because she was an amazing woman. Farrah Fawcett's house is right there. So I want people to make sure that there's no disrespect to that beautiful, amazing woman. I call this the new Farrah Fawcett. Now, why do I call it that? She died so horribly, so tragically, so young of colon cancer. Now, all those elitists never died of colon cancer. Look who died today of colon cancer. She's an elitist. What? The youngest female president in the history of the Ivy League? She died at 52 colon cancer yesterday. Tragic. It's horrible. So the new Farrah Fawcett, look, number one, they're in denial about Fukushima. The Great Pacific Genocide is it's dying. I mean, completely dying. I could not believe, as I've been screaming about this right here on this exact square inch of landscape since Fukushima happened in critical condition, that, hello, the Great Pacific Genocide, and then, oh, you're crazy, Kevin. It's just a coincidence, Lori. Did you know this is just a coincidence? Fukushima happened. Major meltdowns, decided to push the nuclear fission event into the Pacific Ocean every day, all day, and the ocean just completely collapsed. The fishing died. Oh, Kevin's crazy. He's well, this isn't going to happen. I'm like, it's going to die. You're going to kill it. What? The tide pools of Carmel are empty? Oh, yeah. Elkhorn are empty. The gray whales giving birth at Carmel. They should be giving birth in Mexico. Why? Because they're, oh, we need to call the herd. You know, we need to call the herd. Those sea lions, there's too many of them. They're eating the fish. When the mighty blue lady regulated herself for hundreds of millions of years, the American freaking, this desal plant is the capitulation of the transplanted San Diegan. The last San Diegan went away down the train when they pulled the train. This is the capitulation to the transplant Michigan San Diegan. The desal plant, we're the new Dubai. It's outrageous. Do you have any clue what's in this water you're going to bathe in, you're going to drink in? You know, the mainstay of the staff of life, the sun, the earth, the water. What beautiful waves today, huh? Wow. I've never seen these waves like this across here. At the break by the bridge, you should see them out there. Maybe we'll shoot another video. I haven't seen them roll that big. You ever seen them roll that big?
No.
I haven't. I can't remember. Wow, they're epic today. So, I'm in San Diego. Stay tuned. The Farrah Fawcett. How's this jacket? She's the artist down here. Lori, these are great. She uses her mom's sewing machine, and it's all retro stuff. It's great, but Farrah Fawcett's house, desal plant, Fukushima, Japan, San Onofre. Drink up. Stay tuned.